Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform for Friday, October 6th. For the record, today is Thursday, October 5th. Time is around 6:15 p.m. GMT. So basically, not much has changed. So if you want to have more details, please have a look at my analysis of yesterday. I think the bottom line in the DAX now is, will we hold here this level, or do we extend further? So this is further down. These are the two scenarios we are looking at. So we are working here on Y leg, and the key question is, like, we could be finished here as indicated in green. Then we have an A, B, C right here, the C wave consisting of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have divergence in the 4 hour. So here in the 4 hour, we see that this fifth wave comes with divergence compared to the third wave. And so also in the fifth wave here, now we have also 5 swings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We touch the reversal area. So yeah, that could mean that this structure here is complete, and that we start to see upside again in the DAX. However, there is an alternative scenario here in red, and this scenario says that we will finally reach the wave 2 area by doing an extended wave C here, and then we could label this as this was only the first wave here, a wave 1, a shallow wave 2 up. And so now we started the third wave with the first wave down, and now we are working on the second wave here. So this the wave 2 of 3 actually. So I know these are two opposing scenarios. This is this is not really clarifying in terms of what to do, but yeah, it's the reality. It's my interpretation of the data. So there are arguments against and in favor of a reversal here. Like we have the divergence in the 4 hour. We reached the area here that we should reach. We have a reaction from this area. We have a complete structure, 5 waves down. So these are the arguments in favor. However, in the daily and in the weekly, we are still clearly bearish. So here in the daily, we are in a bearish cycle, and if you are in a bearish cycle, yeah, that can mean that we can still see more downside. Also in the weekly, that's clearly the case. We clearly have an downward cycle here. So today, not much happens. We are just staying a bit here in this area, and this can actually be interpreted in two ways. Let's go to the 15 minute for the interpretation. So if this is the low here, so the wave 5 of the wave 5 of the wave C, which is then also the end, which is then also the wave Y, that would mean that we have to start or that we should see some upside here. And then this could play out as like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then we need this impulse as a wave 3, 4, 5, which is then a wave 1 in the higher degree, and then we could like this would be a sign of a reversal. However, the upside we had so far is not really convincing, and also fits in the bearish scenario where we further extend down. Like I told you, from here, like this is a wave 1 in the higher degree, then this is a wave 2 in the higher degree, and then we are now working on a wave 3 in the higher degree. Of this wave 3, this can be the wave 1 here in red. And so now the upside that we are seeing can actually be a wave 2. Like this is not really strong for the moment. This is not really convincing. So this can be just corrective upward price action with what we have now. It can be the beginning of an impulse. It can be corrective upward price action as well. And then we could label this, for instance, as an A, B, C up into this wave 2 area. So if we take the length here of this wave 1, then for the scenario in red, this would be our target here, the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So I would say, we need a bit more price action in order to decide which scenario we really favor. For the moment, we are really somewhere in between, and the data does not give us really a clue which scenario to favor. So at this very moment, I think we still better count on both scenarios as equally valid. Okay, this is my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.